weapons are being locally fabricated, and they are gradually becoming the weapon of choice for kidnappers, for armed robbers, and for bandits terrorizing different parts of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, for us this portends grave danger. If you look at that weapon and you compare it with the AK-47 rifles produced either in Eastern Europe or any other part of the world, you might not, on a cursory note, be able to spot any difference.
These locally fabricated weapons were the ones that manufactured it. I learned the profession from my boss, late James. So he is working with me. He's learning under me. What we used to make them with is just ordinary steel and pipes with wood.
Before the wedding, I saw him with money at the dashboard of the car. So I called my friend to go and collect the money from him, to go and rob the money and bring it. So as they went, I don't know what happened again.